Assalamu alaikum class. In last lecture we started topic fashion forecasting, in which we studied about what is forecasting, what is fashion and trend forecasting, why fashion forecasting is so important in fashion industry or fashion field, how many types of forecasting website and how can they play a role to predict upcoming fashion, upcoming trends, and how many types of forecasting in which we discuss about long term and short term forecasting. In long term, which last over 2 to 5 years, and in short term forecasting, or we can say it fat forecasting. Now in the next lecture we discuss further about fashion forecasting. To forecast, knowing the consumer and the target market is so important. What is consumer? Consumer is basically a person who purchases goods and services for personal use. And what is target market? Target market is a particular group of consumers at which a product or services is designed. When you are forecast something, it is very compulsory to know each and everything about your consumer or customer. Knowing your consumers demographic details means statistical data relating to the population and particular groups within it. uh, Knowing about your customers income or observing about your customers income. Lifestyles means a person in which a person lives. So it's very compulsory or essential to know about your customers lifestyle. And brand preferences means a great liking for one alternative for over another or others brand. Fashion forecasting including following activities. For example, studying market conditions, how the consumer's buying behavior is influenced or impacted or affected by society, economics, technology, and the environment. Noting the lifestyles of the customers or observing the lifestyles of the customers. Feedback from customers. This is so important. Whether they liked your product or not, this is very important to acknowledge. Past data analysis. Past data analysis or study about previous data. What is in fashion, what type of fashion audience liking or disliking, what is fad, etc. Observing street fashion. What is street fashion? Street fashion is generally associated with youth culture and is most often seen in major urban centers. A certain group of people who did not wearing designer wear, mostly young generation. And what celebrities are wearing, keeping up with the current events, media, arts, and mood of the public, surveying fashion publications, for example, catalog, magazines, and fashion websites, evaluating popular designers' collection, making and reporting predictions or upcoming fashions. Fashion forecasting includes coordinating information from fiber. Fiber, it means textile raw material, to yarn, and then apparel companies who construct fabric as according to the customer's demand, and textile shows worldwide. Analyzing the fashion press, visiting the world press, visiting the world's fashion centers, and observing fashion leaders. How to research consumer for forecasting. Manufacturers and retailers. Who are retailers? Retailers are basically those persons or businesses that sells goods to the public in relatively small quantities for use or consumption rather than for resale. May ask consumers about their buying preferences. Consumers' reactions are confirmed and presented to find preferences for certain garments, accessories, clothes, colors, or sizes. This information about their preferences can be used to create new product to fit specific consumers' taste. Surveys by telephones or mail to determine income level, lifestyle, fashion preferences, and shopping habits. Consumer focus group to discuss the pros and cons of currently offered merchandise. In stores, informal interviewing to assess what customer like and dislike activities in fashion. This is very compulsory and essential for fashion forecasting. Market research. To know the target market, market research is required. Manufacturers and retailers must constantly research their target market to learn buying habits and preferences, it consists of following activities. It includes consumer research, shopping, sales research, trend analysis, study about consumers' lifestyle, study about of trend events, the arts and the moods of public, study of market condition. In market research, evaluation of sales research, evaluation of previous sales trend, which include rising sales, weak sale, and declining sale. In rising sale, what kind of fashion or trend majority of people follow or liked, and in weak sale, not everyone liking the fashion, only a few follower. Declining sale, or we can say it end of fashion or trend, and a new trend is in market, or people does not like the previous one. In market research, it is necessary to study about comparison shopping. What is comparison? Similarities or dissimilarities between two things or two people. Comparison in current popular designer collections, review of fashion publications, catalog in website, observation of what is difference between street fashion and celebrity fashion. There are two types of source of information. The one is trade publication and the other one is consumer publication. What is trade publication? Trade publication is a term for a specific kind of publication, usually a magazine, journal or newspaper that is geared. Geared means design or organize something so that it is suitable for a particular purpose, situation or group of people, to to people who work in a specific business or industry. For example, magazine, newspaper, and books about and for a specific industry. For example, WWD stands for Women's Wear Daily, and DNR, Daily News Record. Both are specific books for specific fashion organization. And the other one is consumer publication, magazines that provide fashion news for the consumer, for the customers. For example, Teen, Vogue, Glamour, Moda, Elle, She, etc. What influences the trend forecasters? Influences means inspire or encourage the trend forecasters. Ethnographic research. What is ethnographic? The scientific description of people and cultures with their customs, habits, and mutual differences. Research about ethnographic, market research, arts and culture, economics, societal, environmental, technological, globalization that influences the trend forecaster. Ethnography. The study of everyday life and practice. Ethnographic research helps brand. As I told you earlier, what is ethnography? The scientific description of people and cultures with their custom, habits, and mutual differences. So the forecaster understand how their demographic changing. What is demographic changing? Relating to the structure of population. For example, the cut line of trouser or shirt is popular with a young demographic or young population. Identify new customers, enable brand strategies to remain aligned or associated with their philosophy or their policies. So now let's discuss the fashion trends for fall winter 2022-2021. What are the trends that will shape or outline the fall winter 2022-2021 season? To get ahead or to get in advance of the game of the color, cut lines, silhouette, shape, design, a Vogue reveals the answer in 16 moods, as according to the Eugene Tosho, 16th March 2020. Fashion trends for fall winter 2022-2021. The winter mantra, an allure of outside the box, an charm, glamour, or attraction of outside the box, timeless style. Proof of this comes as a mix of all kind of trends, from romanticism and darkness and bohemian and bourgeoisie. Bourgeoisie means middle class, conformist, or we can say it conservative, typically with reference to its perceived materialistic values as a conventional attitude, to sexy charm and extra volume. A panoply means exhibition or display of fall winter 2022-2021 fashion trends as was eclectic means wide ranging, as they are versatile, as they are multi-purpose, to be adaptive to one's personality. In 2020, everything is delivered with just the right dose. That is to say, pick exactly what suits you from here and there to construct your style. So, what is in upcoming fashion or upcoming season? New shoulders will be the part of garment. The theme of the season, strong shoulders are making their big comeback. Overwhelming rounded and square forms, triangular shapes now reign or rule highest for a truly on point look. From left to right, the first image is from Alexander McQueen's collection with rounded shape, new shoulder cut line. In center image is derived from Balenciaga's collection with the angular shape, new shoulder cut line, and in last image is the picture is derived from Rick Owens collection with the added fullness on new shoulder cut line. Bohemian chic, also called boho chic or boho. The style features a variety of natural materials, earthy shades, and hippie-inspired patterns. Where does the Bohemian style come from? The origin of Bohemian style is strongly correlated with the Bohemians, a culture that appeared in France after the French Revolution. So, Bohemian chic fashion, a kind of easy looks mixture of hippie, cute, and bourgeoisie jet set, resulting in chic elegance with a folky twist. Brilliantly highlighted with intricate precious embroidery and rich fabric, the value of bohemian attitude is truly on the rise. From left to right, the first picture is from Ithro's Bohemian collection. The second image is from Celine's Bohemian collection, and the third one is Chloe's Bohemian collection for upcoming season or upcoming fashion or forecasting for 2020 to 2021 fall winter. Biker fashion. When we are talking about biker, the first thing comes to our mind is black leather jacket, leather boots, and black tied denim. Sport a bandana, get the ideal hair appearance, wear black. Whenever possible, choose black clothes. A variation on a theme that one definitely does not tire of. Whether it's Hell Angel at Fendi's bourgeoisie motocross means motorcycle racing, in first image, champions at Louis Vuitton in second image, or first class mechanic at Dior in third or last image. This season we are racing in style. So the next trend for forecasting of 2020 to 2021 is ruffles. As you already know about the ruffles, in sewing and dressmaking, a ruffle, frill or fur below is a strip of fabric, lace or ribbon tightly gathered or pleated on one edge and applied to a garment, bedding or other textile as a form of trimming. Ruffles and flounces remain a fashionable form of trim off and on into modern times. With the season steeped in romantic influences, frills are making their predictable comeback, whether on modern shirts or in the form of a refined bib. Refined means purified or clarified. With aristocratic meaning describe a person at the highest level of a society, such as a prince or a duchess, or those people or things that are so distinguished that they seem to belong to that group. This pretty details is enough to make any silhouette shiny. From left to right, the first image is from Celine's collection, in which ruffle is placed on the front of the bodices with the placket. In next picture is from Chanel's collection, and in which ruffle is placed as same as first picture. In third picture is from Prada's collection, in which ruffles also placed in front of the bodices with the placket. It means in upcoming season, Ruffles are placed on the front bodices with the placket will be in fashion. The next trend is hardcore. What is hardcore? The most active, committed, or strict members of a group or movement. From a dominatrix, dominatrix means dominant personality or dominant woman. Look to check combination and corseted. Corseted means, as you already know, a usually close fitting and often laced medieval jacket. Latex. What is latex? A synthetic product resembling latex used to make paints, coating, for example, the shiny surface of a garment, etc. This is the new feminine silhouette known as fashion fetishism. What is fetishism? Behavior in which someone has so much interest in an object or activity that they spend on unreasonable amount of time thinking about it or doing it. There is a fetishism for sports in our society. For example, okay, from left to right, the first image is from Saint Laurent's collection, the second image is from Gucci's collection, and the third image is from Richard Quinn's forecasting collection of fall winter 2020 to 2021. The next element is silver. Silver or metallic gray is a color tone resembling gray that is a representation of color of polished silk. Shine bright under an extra luxury shade. The fashion this season is all about playing with silver with cascades of mesh. Cascades of mesh means drapery or fall of net, lame, crystals, and rhinestones. What is rhinestones? Rhinestones and imitation diamonds used in jewelry and to decorate clothes. From left to right, the first image is from Balenciaga's collection, and the second image is from Paco Rabanne, in which he used rhinestone fabric, and in third picture is from Burberry's collection. The next trend for fall winter 2020 to 2021 is capes. As everyone already knows about capes, a cape is a sleeveless outer garment which drapes the wearer back, arm, and chest and connects at the neck. More than a trend, a recurrence. What is recurrence? Uh, a repetition, reappearance, repeat, or return. So, what's new for winter? It's all about an all over completely bourgeois allure. It's all about or completely is from middle class charm, attraction, or appeal. From left to right, the first image is from Isabella Marant collection, and the second image is from Givenchy's collection, and the third image is from Valentino's collection for forecasting fall winter 2020 to 2021. The next fall 2020 to 2021 upcoming fashion is matrix, the cultural, social, or political environment in which something develops or create. Black leather is making an unapologetic comeback between black humor and a show-off attitude. The inspiration is from the Ghost of Keanu Reeves movie in the Matrix haunts and the catwalks for a gothic fashion. What is gothic fashion? Gothic fashion is a clothing style marked by dark, mysterious, antiquated, and homogeneous features. It is worn by members of the goth subculture. Dresses typically gothic fashion includes dyed black hair, dark lipstick, uh, even black lipstick, and dark clothing. Styles are often borrowed from the punk fashion, Victorians, and Elizabethans, as according to 1990s revival. From left to right, the first picture is from uh, Miu Miu's collection, and the second picture is from Fendi's collection, and the third picture is from Paco Rabanne's Matrix collection. Color block. Color blocking is a popular design trend that involves mixing solid colors to create a striking statement. If you love bright colors, it's easy to incorporate color blocking into your own wardrobe and home decor. Choose 2 to 3 colors that you think go well together. Who says red and purple don't go together? So, for the upcoming fall winter collection 2020 to 2021, designer choose these two beautiful colors, purple and red. And why not throw in a shade of pink to sweeten it all up? Make it pop, funky, and colorful collection. So from left to right, the first image is from Saint Laurent's collection, a beautiful purple and red combination collection. The second or center image is from Bottega Veneta's collection, and in third image is from Alberta Ferrati's collection. They all use beautiful and very funky color scheme. Maleficent. When we hear this word, the first thing comes to our mind is 2014's fantasy film by Angelina Jolie. Maleficent means causing harm or destruction, especially by supernatural. An alchemy or experimentation of darkness. Plunged. Plunged means energetic into the most smoky. Obscurity. Obscurity means the state of being unknown or unimportant, in a complement of the shadows. Maleficent makes one everyone's wonder. Is the evil queen the ultimate inspiration of 2020? We saw it over crystal ball gowns. So there are three collections of Maleficent theme. The first image is from Wise Project collection, and the second image is from Rick Owens collection, and the third image is from Balenciaga's Maleficent collection. Fringes. You already know this word. Uh, Extreme fringes means extra fringes. Fringe is an ornamental border of thread left loose or formed into tassels or twists used to edge clothing or material. The first image is from uh, Dior, the common thread of the Dior. The second image is from Jill Sander, and the third image is from Prada's collection. Shows was a display of long, fine fringing that unraveled to allow three distinct silhouettes to shine through. The Nightbird at Jill Sander, the powerful and liberated businesswoman at Prada, and the bohemian schoolgirl at Dior. Absolutely love these collections. Dolls collection or exaggerated frills, flowns, and tire gowns. Whether dresses as a biker at Louis Vuitton, the first image, a Victorian at Gucci, the centered image, or a Queen of Heart at Norki Ninomia, the third image, the extreme exaggerated garments. This season, designers are playing a game of style that pushes this childhood figure into a whole new dimension, that of unknownable mystery. Absolutely love the colors and the collection of 2020 fall winter velvet night. When we are talking about winters, we have the idea of velvet cloth in our mind, an untouchable classic and an unlimited source of inspiration. Velvet is winning the catwalk with total glamour, with these three style variations on another great classic, the, the little black dress. The first image is from Celine's uh, fall winter 2022-2021's collection, the absolutely beautiful velvet gown with the embellishment of neck and on wrist. The second image is from Chanel's collection, and the third image is from Heather Ackerman's collection. The next fashion for fall winter 2020 to 2021 is maxi coats. Whether it's deconstruction, bourgeoisie, as I told you earlier, the middle class, the conformist, or the conservative at Maison Margiela's collection. The next is sensual, a grand evening at Valentino, or a brilliant military look at Loewe. The coats serve as a basis for new proportions. An extra large is definitely in order, or the audience or the customers love the new collection. Undressed. This season headliner is the ultra sexy look in every form possible. On the runways, the trend comes into its own through a play on exposed lingerie that simultaneously advocates luxurious seductions or attractive, and a desire to reveal the unknown. The first image is from Christopher Kane's collection, and the second image is from Saint Laurent's collection, and the third image is from Dolce& and Gabbana's collection. Check pattern or mini check is not new for fashion followers. It's a revival or repeat pattern for upcoming 2022-2021 fall winter collection. Check is a pattern of modified strips consisting of frost. Altogether, a vast and varied geometry of fascinating checks makes a lasting impression and ticks all the boxes of a classic season profile. The first image is from Givenchy's collection, the second image is from Gucci's collection, and the third image is from Chloe's collection. What is the color forecast for the year of 2021? As according to the services of WGSN, an electric shade of blue called Al Echo will come to the fore in fashion, technology, and interiors in 2021. Announced, the color is described by the brand as a positive hue that is both sporty and trend forward. When selecting a color, WGSN research method involves examining significant developments within various industries as well as socio-economic conditions. The trend forecaster look to fashion, technology, and current affairs when determining the shade. The things that were previously out of reach for many will now become possible, causing everything to change. The team of WGSN explained that the team found that blue shades were popular for internet searches and for the branding of technology companies. We also looked at the most popular colors that appear on the internet, and blue came up as the most prolific. A study of the internet most heavily trafficked websites show that there are nearly twice as many shades of blue as shades of yellow and red, and three times as much green, said Munnington Body. If you think of sites like Facebook and Twitter, which we interact with on a daily basis, they all use predominantly blue branding. If we are set to spend even more time within our devices, we are going to have even more exposure to this color. WGSN predicts that as fashion and lifestyle trends cross fertilize more rapidly, the blue color will have major commercial appeal and will be particularly popular for design that inhabit the space between active and fashion. Blue is a color that has always been commercial in fashion. You always have to have blue in your palette, explained by Munnington Body. She also said, when I was a designer in the 1990s, we always had to include blue because it's sold, but it was never pinpointed as a fashion color. Whereas now, I think it's coming through as a statement color. The tone of Al Aqua is a lot more digestible for most people.